Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block we got chicken, and with this chicken I'm going to be making you one of the best ever. It's a chicken and broccoli noodle soup recipe, Okay, alright, now I'm going to show you. I got 2 bay leaves that I'm going to need to put up in there. Here's the broccoli. This get put in there like at the end. I got some carrots that's gonna get put in there midpoint. This is half a cup, and this is like 2 cups of broccoli. These are frozen. I have some cream chickens right there. I have some AMISH noodles right here. That's what I'm gonna be using. You're gonna need some turmeric. You're gonna need some sea salt. You're gonna need some cilantro, dry cilantro, or fresh. You're gonna need some red pepper flakes and some black pepper. And right here I have some bouillon powder, right, by GOYA. Right here I got 3 packages of those. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna put 3 packages of these in there. So that's why I'm gonna use a lot of salt. Okay. I did wash my chicken off very well. Like I said, I'm under the weather. That's why you hear me sniffing. I'm trying to get myself better if I can put out some stuff, some more restaurant quality meals for you guys. So I need to find something that's gonna get me back well. So here's some of these right here. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of this because I need to sweat. Yeah, that's about good enough. Some black pepper. We're gonna put a teaspoon of that. Salt. We're only gonna put like a teaspoon of that, because I'm gonna put like 6 cups of water in here. It's gonna make its own stock up. Okay, guys. Here's my turmeric. Try to put like a half. No, we're gonna put a teaspoon. This is really healthy for you. Okay. It helps you get better quick. I do have a piece of garlic. I think I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up and put that in there as well. And so with the camera turned off on us, we'll just bring you back to another step, okay? To the next step. I don't need these to be super fine or nothing like that. I just don't want to bite into a big piece. And we're going to cook this chicken at least about a good 45 minutes to get tender. And I'll show you all of that, okay? So, and I'm sorry guys, I'm sniffling and all that stuff, but I got to put out something. I'm supposed to be making patty melts. I got those over there in the cut too, but I really need to get this going real quick because I need to get a little bit well. I couldn't sleep at all last night. Now, normally I would throw celery and all that stuff in it, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just trying to make something real quick because I'm trying to get better if I can go ahead and produce some more recipes. Because I really feel bad that you guys ain't getting the recipe that you heard. Okay, we need 1 more cup of this. That should be a total of 6 cups. Alright. I like a lot of, because you got to remember it's going to drain out of there. Okay, that's how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and get this going and put a lid on it. And I'll see you guys when it get done, and I'll show you the next step in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. It's starting to come to a boil. Now what I like to do is take some of this wine right here and put in the white wine, any kind of white wine. Put like a half cup. And I'm just going to let it go from there. Gives it tons of flavor. And that's it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. And what I did here is I'm trying to let this cool off a little bit because it's kind of hot. I took some of the skin off it and stuff like that. Okay, we just gonna let this cool off. Now, myself personally, I like the skin. You don't have to have it on there. So that's pretty much all you want to do. You know, you just want to take all this meat off. And that's about it on that. And put that there. So that's what we want to do. Yeah, I need to put that right there, don't I? I got the skin over here. So I told you, when you're sick, you be doing stupid stuff. Yeah, anyway, make a long story short, I keep putting this stuff over there. I'm going to stop editing a lot of different stuff. You know, I'm just trying to keep it real as much as possible. I'll be in here messing up, but hey, that's what we do, right? We only human. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let this go ahead and cool off a little bit more because this is too hot for me to mess with. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the pot. Take you guys over there and see how that looks. So that's that. So what I did here was I put another cup of water in it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to go ahead and throw my carrots in there while it's still hot. Broccoli go in last with the noodles because I don't want them to be too tender. Okay? So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing with that. Alright? And then we'll add this cream of chicken in there. Alright? Alright, let's go ahead and put a little bit more wine in there while that's doing that. And I'm going to add, alright, so that'd be a total of a cup for the wine. I'm going to add some more sea salt, if I can find it. I move stuff around a lot. So, yeah. Here's the cilantro right here. We're going to put like a teaspoon of that in there. Then here's the sea salt. Guys, don't laugh at me. I know this is a little bit different from what I'm used to doing. A little bit of salt in there. Probably another teaspoon. And that'll be it for now. And go back over here and do what I got to do with this chicken. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Just gonna go ahead. I probably can't use this and get in there. How about get a spoon? Take this cream chicken out. This can. I did have 2 cans. I don't want it too creamy. I like a lot of broth. That's where you're gonna get that nourishment from. Help you get better. And I'm seasoning. So yep, I try to add all of this out of there. Yep. Now, what I will do is take let's see, I do want to put some mushroom. I'm gonna put some mushroom in this. I'm gonna take me some mushrooms. Not a whole bunch. Put a few of them in there, just like so. Stir that around. We're going to go with our chicken. I'm going to need to put some of that in there. Put my chicken in there. Yes. Believe it or not, I can eat this whole pot up in one day. That's how much I love soups. Especially chicken noodle soup. I'm gonna make some different soups one day for you guys. I know how to make a whole bunch of them. Okay. Now, with these noodles, I have to eyeball these. Because I don't like a bunch of noodles in mine. Because they soak up a lot of the juice. So, but it'll be enough. Alright, we go about half the bag. Yeah, about half the bag right there. Then I'll take my broccoli. Hopefully I have enough room. Put that in there. You don't want to cook the broccoli for long periods of time, but by the time the noodles get done, the broccoli will be done. Okay? Talking about something good. OMG. See if I can taste that. I gotta get the other spoon because I don't want to put nothing in it. Like my sickness. Oh my goodness. Once again, Dogg, you did it again, boss. Ooh, Jesus. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna eat this up. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and let this cook for another 10 minutes. Then I'll show you guys how it look in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There you have it. The best ever chicken and broccoli noodle soup. I hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you guys make it. I did taste it. Tastes delicious. I'll go ahead and give you some of this one. If I can get some noodle on here for you guys. These some long noodles. So bear with me. Ooh, they're long. Super long. There we go. Let me see if I can do it like that. You guys get you a bite of that. They are good though. I'll tell you that. Alright. I wish they had taste of vision. So guys, please let everybody know that Dogg is in his kitchen doing his thing for you guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I'm feeling better in Dogg's kitchen. Much love. In a minute.